I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating device capability and installing a library like React Native Biometrics. This gives a consistent API for iOS Face/Touch and Android. Once done, link or auto-link native modules and rebuild the app so native classes are available. Next, add the privacy strings to info, plist, and the use biometric permission to Android manifest, then run a clean build. Make sure to toggle biometrics in device settings to test. These steps prevent runtime missing permission errors. You now implement the core flow. Check for biometric availability, then create or retrieve a secure key or use local prompt calls. Use the library to prompt the user, then sign a non-C or decrypt a stored token. This lets you verify identity locally and with your backend. Make sure to implement a fallback path to passcode or PIN and to catch promise rejections for canceled or failed attempts. Also persist minimal state, so retries and lockouts behave predictably. Finish by wiring logout and credential rotation so keys invalidate after auth changes, and enforce secure storage using keychain or keystore rather than async storage. Once done, run integration tests on multiple devices and OS versions to catch differences. If you run into failures, reproduce with device logs and check biometric enrollment, app permissions, and whether the native module was properly linked. A common fix is rebuilding the app after adding plist or manifest entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.